Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome back to Cook and Share. I received this gadget from a company called Calmdo the other day, and I'm always skeptical when I get new stuff, but I tried this out and it's absolutely incredible. It's an air fryer oven. Let me show you this and walk you through it. The Calmdo oven has a 25-liter capacity, and believe me, you can do just about anything in it. So once you turn the oven on, it has a digital display and shows you all the great things you can do with it. It has French fries, you can do chicken wings, frozen food, steak, and it has the time and the temperature, bacon, vegetables, root vegetables, toast, and of course your broil, bake, bagel, roast, proof, heat, just a ton of settings, grill, pizza, who doesn't love pizza, cookies, your defrost, dehydrate, I just love them. You can do dehydrated apples or apple chips in them, and of course keep warm. I tried this out. I've already done two things, a casserole, which came out incredible, and a baked chicken, and it was so juicy. And I have a lot of gadgets in my kitchen, but believe me, the Calmdo air fryer has replaced just about all of them. So when you receive the oven, they send you a complimentary set of oven mitts, which is kind of nice. I mean, no big deal, but kind of nice. And the following, you receive an oven rack, which you can do meat, bread, pizza, etc. So let's just put this in and have a look. Next up, the air fryer basket, where you can do chicken rings, onion rings. It also works with the dehydrator basket. And last, the baking pan, which works great for cakes, cookies, turkeys, chickens, anything like that. It can also be used as a drip tray. It also has a crumb tray on the bottom, which you can simply pull out, wipe it out when you do toast. By the way, this makes beautiful toast. It's replaced my toaster. So many things in my kitchen is replaced. And if you look on the left-hand side here, it has a handy indicator showing you where to put each basket for air fry, dehydrate, toast, bagel, bake, pizza, and roast. Once you've selected what food you want to cook, you simply press the start button on the side, and there's a preheat button that'll heat everything up. Another functionality is you can adjust the temperature and toggle down and adjust the time. There's a light you can turn on and off, which makes it handy to see what you're doing. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 25-liter Calmdo air fryer oven. Absolutely incredible. You can do just about anything on it. I'll put a link below. The price is reasonable. You should give this a try. I should state too that in the link below there's a $50 coupon, so if you decide to purchase this item, that's $50 off. Good deal.